We actually did this prediction for the week on our Bitcoin, right? We said it clearly that Bitcoin will drop massively for the week, right? We said that it will drop and it will take out this low. That was our prediction, right? We said that Bitcoin will drop and take out this low completely, which market did, right? Market was able to give us this drop and it dropped to this low. Now, what the market do here, right? The market was now able to give us a pullback and then one more sale. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comment. You can also stay updated by following the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the section. So for today, which is on Wednesday, we will also be expecting Bitcoin to actually give us a bearish move. So expect Bitcoin to open and close bearish for the day. Why are we going to be expecting that movement? It's very simple. This is our first low that Bitcoin did give us, right? Then here comes the lower high. Market then was able to drop again to form a new lower low. Then this is the lower high. Market then dropped to form a new lower low. Then this is our lower high. Now market is now dropping to form a new lower low. This is an equal lower low line. This is an equal low, right? So we will be expecting market to drop further down till it is able to form a new lower low. So basically our target next on Bitcoin is a level of 73,000, right? So we are currently trading at about 75,000 something, right? About 75,000, right? That is our current level on Bitcoin. So we would be expecting Bitcoin to drop to a level of 73,000. So once it drops to a level of 73,000, more updates on this will be covered for you. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the